Hi, today we are going to learn Introduction of HTML and HTML5. HTML hypertext markup language is the set of markup symbols or codes inserted in a file intended for display on a World Wide Web browser page. HTML is a markup language for describing web documents, that is web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is set of markup tags. HTML documents are described by HTML tags. Each HTML tag describes different document content. HTML5 elements. HTML5 is the latest standard for browsers to display and interact with web pages. HTML5 will improve speed, ease of use, and consistency across the web. The most interesting new elements are new semantic elements like header, footer, article, and section. New form control attributes like number, data, time, calendar, and range. New graphic elements like SVG and canvas. New multimedia elements like audio and video. HTML document structure. This is the HTML document structure. In that we are typing some tags, that is document type, HTML, head, title, and we are closing their tags also. In next tutorial we will discuss in brief. What is CSS? Cascading Style Sheet is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on a screen, paper, or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. What is browser? People access websites using software called a web browser. Popular example is Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Chrome, and Opera. What is server? When you ask your browser for a web page, the request is sent across the internet to a special computer known as a web server, which hosts the website. Why you have to creating a folder structure for a site? The internal details of your site are raw files that only other technologies will see, but your users will benefit from carefully planning and through creating subfolders like CSS and images files. HTML basic tags. Doc type HTML. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. This tag defines the document type and HTML versions. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and end tag with the content inserted in between. HTML elements usually consist of a start tag and the end tag with the content inserted in between. The HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with /HTML. The HTML head elements has nothing to do with HTML headings. The head elements is placed between HTML tag and the body tag. This is the introduction of HTML and HTML5. For queries, please contact us on info@aonlinetraining.com. Thanks for watching.